Guys, what if your morning eggs could do more than just fill you up? What if adding one simple ingredient turned them into a natural testosterone booster that fuels energy, strength, and yes, those morning situations you thought were gone for good? Stick with me for the next few minutes, because I'll show you exactly what to add, why it works, and how men over 50 are getting stronger, more energized, and more confident without pills or complicated supplements. Section 1: The problem after 50. After 50, testosterone naturally declines by 1 to 2% every year since your 30s. By midlife, most men are working with 60 to 70% of their peak levels. That drop affects everything: energy, mood, muscle, and performance. Eggs are great. They contain cholesterol, vitamin D, zinc, and protein, the raw materials for testosterone. But your body needs help converting those materials into actual hormone power. Section 2. The secret ingredient: garlic. Enter raw garlic. Not garlic powder. Not cooked garlic. Fresh, raw garlic. When you crush it and let it sit, it produces a compound called allicin. This boosts testosterone and lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that kills testosterone. Studies in both animals and humans show regular raw garlic consumption can raise testosterone by 15 to 20% in just 12 weeks. Section 3: Garlic plus eggs combo. Here's the magic: garlic and eggs together. The sulfur compounds in garlic help your body absorb egg nutrients better. The protein in eggs also calms the raw garlic's punch, making it easier on your stomach. It's like garlic unlocks the testosterone-building potential of eggs. Together, they become a natural powerhouse for hormone support, circulation, and energy. Section 4: How to prepare it right. The method matters. Cook your eggs however you like. Mince 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Let it sit 10 minutes for allicin to form. When eggs are finished cooking, sprinkle the raw garlic over them. The heat softens the flavor without killing the benefits. Add black pepper, sea salt, maybe olive oil and lemon juice to mellow the taste. Add parsley or cilantro for freshness. Section 5. Boosters that multiply the effect. Want even more? Black pepper enhances nutrient absorption up to 2000%. Onions add quercetin for testosterone. Turmeric lowers inflammation and estrogen. Cayenne boosts circulation. Even avocado on the side helps with healthy fats for hormones. These additions make your breakfast not just a meal, but a hormone-optimizing ritual. Section 6. What happens in your body? When garlic and eggs hit your system, allicin signals your pituitary gland to release luteinizing hormone, telling your testicles, make more testosterone. Meanwhile, garlic reduces inflammation, eggs provide cholesterol to build hormones, and protein gives your body the raw materials it needs. Add better blood flow from sulfur compounds, and you've got a recipe for real performance. Section 7: Timeline of results. Week 1. Energy improves, morning crashes fade. Week 2 to 3: morning erections, faster workout recovery, more consistent energy. By month 2, stronger libido, muscle tone, better mood. Month 3, confidence rises, energy stabilizes, and this becomes your new normal. The key? Consistency, 5 days per week minimum. Section 8. Garlic breath solutions. Yes, raw garlic can affect your breath. But there are fixes. Eat it in the morning so it fades by evening. Drink water all day. Add parsley, spinach, or chlorophyll mints. Green tea neutralizes odor and supports testosterone. Apples help break down garlic compounds. And if needed, aged garlic supplements work with less smell, though not as strong. Section 9. Why this beats expensive alternatives. Here's the bottom line. This costs pennies. Fresh garlic and eggs can outperform hundreds spent on testosterone therapy or ED pills that come with side effects. You're already eating eggs, why not supercharge them? This is science-backed, safe, and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Section 10. Challenge plus call to action. Try this for 30 days. Every morning add raw garlic to your eggs. Track your energy, strength, mood, and performance. Share your experience, drop a comment if you're trying it, and share this video with a buddy who needs it. Subscribe for more real, natural ways to stay strong after 50. Remember, small changes lead to big improvements, starting with your morning eggs.